Hello everyone, John the Alien here. Okay, today I'm going to teach you some very important concept, okay? The concept of units in AutoCAD. Actually, before I ask you anything, okay, I want to ask you, okay, one simple question, okay, about AutoCAD. The question is as follows. Do you think AutoCAD has brains? AutoCAD has brains? First question. Or do you think AutoCAD is stupid? John, please, my children are here. Please don't use these words. Okay, sorry. Okay. Do you think AutoCAD has brains or AutoCAD is nonsense? Okay. Okay. In the terms of units. Okay. I'll answer these questions. Okay. So today's class you're going to learn about units. Okay. Something beautiful about units. Okay. After this class you're going to say, John, actually units is piece of cake. Okay. John, the concept of units is piece of cake. Okay. So what we're going to learn today? Okay. First thing, how you're going to get units. Okay. You're going to locate units. How are you going to locate units? Where? In AutoCAD. Okay. Second thing, how you're going to convert units. Okay. Third thing, how do you think or how does AutoCAD interpret units? AutoCAD interpret units. Okay. Do not write full form. Okay. So sorry for this. So the concept of units. Okay, what is units? Units means what? Okay, if you're an engineer or if you're an alien, when units come, what units? When you think about units, what comes in your head? For me, this thing comes. Okay, unit of measurement. Okay, unit of measurement. Okay, unit of measurement. So it's either in millimeter or metric units or imperial units. Imperial means what? Inches. Okay. Foot. Okay. Metric means what? Millimeter. Okay. Centimeter or meter. Okay. I hope so far it's clear. So let me just rub this. Okay. I'm sorry. You don't want to rub many things, just want to rub what has to be rubbed. Okay. Now my question is here, simple question. Okay, we're going to come back to this question if is AutoCAD crazy or not crazy. Okay. 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 Let's just rub this so no more this question comes here. Okay. First thing is, how do you going to locate units in AutoCAD? Okay. So what do? You have two methods, okay? Two methods to locate the units. Come on, okay, this is me actually. Hello, anyway. How do you locate your AutoCAD units, okay? One, you're going to call him. You're going to call units. To call in the sense, type. Type units in the keyboard. Okay, it is UNITS. Where are you going to type? There is here one command line. You're going to type units. Okay. So let me just type it. Okay, and you will not be able to see it. I think it's because it's not in the recording. Okay, you see, and press enter. Okay, your friend, the drawing utilities appears. Okay, one method. Second method is call your friend who? Google. Google in the sense application menu. Units, where are you? So you're going to say Google, Google, the application menu. Okay. Much more detail, there is one. I have made a special video or a special class to show you how to find location of any command using the application menu. Okay. I recommend you go into that video and see. Okay. So just fast press up, go to the application menu, call your friend units, UNITS. Okay, he says it's in the application menu, drawing utility, your friend units you will find there. Okay, so application menu, drawing utilities, your friend units is here. Okay, okay. So first thing is clear now. Okay, John, I know where is the units now. Location. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, location is done. Okay. Now let me just explain this conversion. Okay, before we learn this, okay, and next thing is how does AutoCAD interpret units. Okay, so you know how to find the units command, isn't it? So there are two methods and whatever may be the story. Okay, let me just make some real estate here. Okay, sorry for this. It doesn't even want to rub my name, or I think it looks good here. Okay, John. Anyway, so this is the story. We know where's the location. Okay, how do you convert units? Okay, now let me just tell you something. Have a look here. Okay, have a deep look here. Okay, what is this? It's in inches. So anything I draw now is in inches. Okay, so if I draw a line which is of 1 inch, okay, this is for me. Okay, I consider this 1 unit. Okay, this is 1 unit, and the unit represented as inches. Okay, any problem so far? Okay, so anything I draw will be in any object, if I draw, will be in units, and the units is inches. Okay, I'm going to explain this concept. Okay, does AutoCAD have brain or does not have brain, or AutoCAD makes sense of what, or does AutoCAD care what units are here or not? Okay, you're going to understand this concept very, very soon now. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so the insertion units is inches, so anything I draw now is in inches. Okay, clear? Okay, sorry for the volume. Okay, one more common thing is, if you are in inches, you're generally going to draw in or represent in architectural representation. Okay, that means what? It will be like this. Okay, let's say 3/4 inches. Okay, ½ inch. Okay, this is all a representation of inches. Okay, and let's say 3/8. Okay, this representation is called architectural representation. Okay, this is what is written here. Okay, clear so far? Okay, and this angle stuff. Okay, this is the angle stuff. Okay, let me just make some clear concept. Okay, I believe this will go for a 2 video class, but I think concept is important, doesn't matter how long it takes. Okay, so first concept is clear. Okay, architectural means what? It will, whenever you represent any object, it's going to be represented like this: 3/4, ½ inch, 3/8, whatever may be the story. Okay, and let's say one more, 1¼ 1½ I think this concept is clear so far. Okay, so anything which I draw will be in, what's it, inches. Okay, so let me just show you example what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, let's put in the mouse mode and cancel. Okay, so I'm just writing this command, line, LINE. Okay, and enter. Okay, so let me just show you this. I'm pressing F8, so I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay, 1 inch, enter. Okay, let me just rub this guy. Okay, this is so far so clear. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have drawn what? A line. This is a line, and see, it's written here what? 1 inch. Okay, can you see it? Okay, let me just show you in the quick properties. Let me just select this. I'm selected this line, and you see the length is 1 inch. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to convert from inches to millimeter. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, this is a line which is of 1 inch. Okay, sorry for making it a bit thin. Okay, is it clear? So I just drew a line. Okay, this line is of 1 inch. I never call it 1 inch, I call it 1 unit, and AutoCAD represents this unit as imperial units. How I know this imperial? I type units. Okay, units. See, inches. Okay, so this is clear, huh? So when I select, let me just show you this. Select this line. He shows me representation. The length of the line is 1 inch. Okay, so now what's my story here? I want to convert from imperial to metric. Okay, that means what? I want to convert inches to millimeter. Okay, so 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. Okay, rounding up to the 1 digit. This is a standard. Okay, 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeter. So now this question is going to come. Okay, this answer is coming. Okay, does AutoCAD have brain or not? No brain, or does AutoCAD make sense of unit? Or does AutoCAD care what units you are in? Things will become clear now. Okay, so what did I do so far? I drew a line with the length is equal to 1 inch. Okay, 1 unit. I will call him always 1 unit. Okay, so now when I convert from imperial to metric, that means if I convert from inches to millimeter, this line should represent 25.4 millimeter, isn't it? Okay, so let me do it fast. Units, and let me just convert inches to millimeters, isn't it? And the representation is always decimal. I think 2 digits precision is more than enough. Okay, and I say okay. So this is the way it represents. Okay, 1.5. Okay, so far good. Okay, excellent. I place okay. So now my question comes: is AutoCAD having brains, or AutoCAD does not have brain? So when I select this line, okay, let me just do it fast, just to make sure it is in metric, millimeters, precision 2. So when I select this line, it should show me 25.4 because it converted from inches to millimeter, isn't it? But what does it show? Nothing. It just shows you the length is 1 unit. So what does this concept shows you here? Actually, let's just stop this video. In the next class, let's say in part 2, I'm going to continue this story. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Okay, with John here, and let's see you everyone in the next class. Okay, so bye.